Hello everybody. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of Japanese, Korean makeup skincare products. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Again, my name is Jason, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of a Japanese-Korean subscription box. The company is called NoMakeNoLife, for short NMNL, and I got my September box today. So let's just get right into it. The box looks like this. And let's open this up. This is what you see inside. Oops. So this comes with a nice booklet. And in the booklet, it tells you a little bit about the products and it tells you prices. Now, this subscription box, I believe, is $32 a month. I went ahead and did the 6 boxes, which I believe equaled out to be the 32. I'll put that in the description below. So I went ahead and prepaid for 6 boxes. It's a little bit cheaper. I think I saved myself like $18 total of all the boxes. Now, unfortunately, when I first subscribed to this box, the videos that I was seeing online and even on the website itself, it was supposed to be free shipping. Once I ordered and submitted to pay, I found out that each box, you have to pay for shipping now. So in addition to the $32, $33 a month for the box, it's also another $11 to ship from Japan. Had I known that before, I probably wouldn't have purchased them. But that aside, let's go ahead and see if what we get in the box is worth the money. So I'm going to open the booklet, and the first product in here is BT21 Rose Oil Multi-Use Cream. Now this is this product right here. Now, this says, you can't deny the cuteness of the BT21 characters. They were created by the members of a popular Korean boy group, BTS, and they each have their own unique personality. This multi-use cream can be used for face, body, and hair, and contains the natural ingredients rose oil to moisturize your skin. In September's box comes one of 8 BT21 characters. This one is RJ. It actually says it on the container. So I have not tried any of these products yet because I just got the box today. So that's item number 1. Now, the pamphlet does not give prices, so I did my best to go online and look up what I could see were some prices for them. So for this one, I found a lot of them going for about $13. So $13 for this product. Now keep in mind, again, I paid, I believe, $32 for the box. Next item is the Petite Recipe 2-Color Juicy Gloss. Now this one looks like this. Comes in this bag. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag, see what it looks like. I did open the box earlier, but I did not test any of these products, so let's see what this is like. Okay. Oh, there it goes. So this is the product out of the package. This is, let's see, Juicy Gloss. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So it comes with a wand, a doe foot applicator. And you can see that there are two colors in there. I don't know how this is going to go on. I am wearing a clear lip gloss right now, so we'll see, but... It's very... It almost feels like I'm putting Vaseline on my lips. It's that same type of consistency. Maybe not quite as greasy. Doesn't really have a flavor. It doesn't feel sticky, so that's good. But we'll see. I'll give this a try and see how it goes. So I did look up prices for that one, and I found them for about $7. So Juicy Gloss. Next item in the box is Chupa Chupa Hand Cream. And this one looks like, let's see here. I like how they actually list the items in there and put the numbers listed with over here so you can find them easier. So this is the next one, the Chupa Chupa. And again, I did not open it yet, so let's see if I can get this open without wasting too much time. I actually currently have my Minion Banana Strawberry Cream Lotion on, so I am not going to really put a lot of this on, but I just want to see. It goes on like that. It says that it's strawberry cream. It's gonna be hard for me to tell because, like I said, I have the Minions Strawberry Banana Hand Cream on, so I can't really tell at the moment if I'm smelling strawberry from this or strawberry from the Minions hand milk. So anyway, but there's that, and I looked up that price and it was going for about $3.50. So next we have the Overaction Rabbit Lip Cream or Lipstick. Now that is this one. Let's see. Sorry, the glare, there we go. Now let's go ahead and take this out of the package. Now this is I personally don't really know the difference between a lipstick and a lip cream. It looks just like a chapstick to me, so I'm assuming that this is going to be lip cream. I don't know. I'm not going to put it on right now because, like I said, I've already got a clear lip gloss, and then I just went ahead and put on this, so I'm not going to put yet another product on my lips. But I'll give that a try. Like I said, it looks just like a little lipstick. So, I mean, a little chapstick. So there's that one, and I looked up the price on that, and it was about $5.50. That may not have been an accurate price because I can't imagine that this would be almost $6. Anyway, moving on. Let's see, the next one is Beauty Present Heart-Shaped Makeup Puffs, and I think I found them for about $3. That is just a baggie of the sponges. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks like there's 10 in the package. So, we'll see. That one I'll put there. Then we have the Crayon Royal Nail Stickers. These are not going to get used. I can guarantee you that. I'm not into doing a lot of nail product. If anything, I will put a little bit of nail polish on. But I am not going to be using these nail stickers. So maybe I'll just put these aside for a giveaway, a future giveaway. Those were going for about $3 again. Next we have the Siam single eyeshadow. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but this is the Siam single eyeshadow. Let's see. And it's a nice shimmery color. It looks like it's got some glitter in it. If I can figure out how to open these things with my arthritic hands. There we go. It's getting there, it's getting there, all right. And let's see if we can get a better, I don't know if you can see the shimmer in there, but anyway, I might try this color out actually, so, well, that's why it had tape on it. Okay. Again, I looked up prices online, and that one I think I found for about $5.90. So, for a single eyeshadow. Again, I don't know if that's a good price or not. We also, let's see, last item listed in the booklet is Make For You sheet mask. And I found these, I didn't really find this exact sheet mask, but I was finding others for about $3 for a single sheet mask. So I'll give this a try. I haven't tried any sheet masks yet, so we'll see how it goes. And those were all the items listed in the box. They did give me a bonus item, and it's not listed on there, so I don't really know. I think I tried to look up the price. This is a Barely Nude color. It is Moonshot lipstick. Moonshot lipstick. So let's see what this looks like here. See if it's actually a shade that I might consider wearing. Well, it's not a bad. Let's see, can you see that there? I might give it a try and see how it looks on. Let's see how this swatches. It's looking much pinker when I swatch it. I don't know, again, how well you can see that, but so I don't know. I will try it and see how it looks on. Oh, that's weird. It kind of, I don't know if it's just from the lotion that I had on and the combination of this, but it tingles a little bit. That's weird. Anyway, and then we have a couple little flyers in here. I'm not even gonna read through those, but and it does tell you more about the other products in here. I'm not gonna read through all of them for you. What are my impressions of this box? It's cute. I think total the amount was for the whole box. Let's see here, where did I go? If I looked up prices correctly, it came out to be about $50. Again, I'm paying $32, $33 for the actual box, and I'm paying $11 for shipping. So I'm paying $41, $42 for the box. So considering I get Ipsy Glam Plus and I get Boxy Charm, and the values of those subscription boxes compared to what you're paying a month for those, for this, I can probably safely say now that when my 6 boxes have come, I will not be renewing for these. The items are cute, yes, and I've heard a lot of great things about Korean cosmetics and skin products, and I just don't think it's worth it, especially now having to pay $11 shipping for each box. That's, I mean, I realize it's coming from Japan, but I think that's excessive. You're already paying $33 for the box, so to pay another $11 is way too much in my opinion. And had I known that before, I wouldn't have done it. I went back to the website and I saw in the FAQs where they list that, but it wasn't obvious when I was ordering. So I do have 5 more boxes coming. My October box is actually already shipped, so that's on its way. I will do that unboxing when I get it, but am I thrilled with what I got in this? Not so much. But it is what it is. So let me know what you thought of this box. If you think it was worth the price for the items that you got. Yeah, they threw in the bonus item. That was nice, but again, I don't know if that really, the bonus item, I believe I looked up the price and that was about $6.50. So these are all items that I think you can find on sites like I think Japan Haul and things like that. So in my opinion, it wasn't really worth it, and I will not be redoing these. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate everybody watching. And as I build this channel, I'm having a lot more fun making these videos. And I will be doing a Boxy Luxe unboxing this month. I will be doing another Ipsy Glam Plus. And I do have on order Lips Monthly, or Lips Monthly. I have not gotten a box from them yet. So if I get that this month, then I will do that unboxing as well. If you want to see any other types of unboxings, makeups, and then again in my last video I did suggest that maybe I can expand into the world of acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine, since I am currently going to school for my master's in acupuncture. So if you have any ideas for that, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.